Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your GoDaddy website builder with Square. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website if you have not already. So you go to godaddy.com and from there you can just go ahead and open up your dashboard, and in this dashboard we can find the website we want to edit. So from the edit section we can go and click on edit option right here. It's going to open up our website in editor mode, and in this editor mode at the right side of the screen we can find the menu for editing our website. So now we can get started with accessing our online payments. We can do so by clicking the store option right here. By clicking the store option, we are going to go and be able to access all the options we have right here. One of them is going to be called the online store section. This is what you want to open up. By clicking on online store, it's going to enable you to access the settings of your online store. Currently, you need a premium plan to do so. As you can see, currently I'm not upgraded. I'm on a free plan, so I cannot access it, but you can go and click here and it's going to enable you to access your settings. So by accessing the settings of your store, you're going to go and be able to manage your online payments, and one of the options you're going to be having for managing online payments to add to your store is Square. So just like that, you can drag and drop it wherever you want, on whichever section or whichever page, and that's how to implement Square into your website builder. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.